So, exciting news. Microsoft have announced that the Visualizing SharePoint Lists option, or menu option, is now available to all users. So it's been out for a couple of months for targeted release users. It's now available on standard release. So I'll show you how easy this is to use. If you've got a SharePoint site and you just create a new list, I'm going to create one from Excel because I've got some dummy data to use. I'll upload a file. Upload by data, and just let that go away and do its thing. Let me give it a more sensible name. Oh. So we create our list, and while that's going away and doing that, let me show you where I got the data from. So whenever you need to do, when you're playing with things like this and you need a bunch of data to test with, there are a few of these sites that will create test data for you. This is my favorite one, mockaroo.com. You have a bunch of fields here. We can just get rid of these different columns, or we can add a new one, and we can change the data type. So these are all of the different options that it will create. Credit card numbers, just obviously random, non identifying data for use. Okay, really useful. And then you choose the format, Excel, download it, and you've got a sheet to play with. You need to then turn that into a table before you can upload it to a list, but that's easily done. So we've got our list here, and look, integrate, and there we've got our regular create an app, the stuff we're familiar with, but this new one, visualize this list, visualize the list. And within just a few seconds I should have a nice report. And obviously you can then customize each of these. We can go let's turn that into a pie chart and so on. We can change these and make all the changes we need. Once we're kind of happy with that, we can publish it and publish it to the list. So by publishing it, anyone who currently has access to that list will be able to open the report. So equally imaginative name, publish it. So now that anybody who then goes to that list, if they go up to the integrate menu, they would see it. There we go, my report. So they can actually access the report there. Pretty cool and easy.